A Modal Visions Vibe by Jacquie Bird Spiritual Wellness. I call this piece the energy of life. It is part of my Mandala Wall Art series, and it is steeped in symbolism. The circle, totality, wholeness, the infinite. 12 cowrie shells, the number 12 being a master number, number of God. Cowrie shells signifying prosperity, abundance, fertility, and the ocean. You are looking at brass Baule beads, made by the Akan tribe, the Akan people of Ghana and the Ivory Coast. This piece is designed to infuse your home with positivity, joy, inspiration, light, love. Quartz, the master stone. It is an amplifier and a magnifier. It is in your cell phones, your watches, your computers. This is a Modal Visions Vibe where art, spirit, and wellness come together.